sungkat first time ton abi ga sa display pero wala na yun. Isa ang tutigan na pwede binote. Sa si Erty na laban o si Dote.
Hey guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this headband wig that I did receive from LuvMe Hair. I did do an unboxing and initial review video that will be in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So the first thing that I am going to be doing with this wig is co-washing the hair with this Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner from Organics, and I will be doing a light co-wash. I'm brushing through the hair, you guys, and the curls are just flowing right through the brush. Like, I'm not getting any type of tangling, nothing like that. So it's just going right through the brush, no issues, no problems, nothing. Okay, and the next thing that I am going to be using is this foam that I purchased from my beauty supply store. This is the only product that I put on the hair. I don't put any type of curl defining cream. I don't put any oils. This foam or wrapping mousse is the only thing that I use. And look at those curls, guys. Like, this hair is just amazing. I did let the wig dry overnight, and it's time to install the wig. So I did do my baby hairs, and I just brushed back my hair. My hair is braided in the back, and it is in a ponytail, and I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like dry. And the curls, it matches my hair's texture perfectly. Okay, here I am just using that comb, just adjusting everything to my liking and using the combs to make sure that the wig is secure. And of course, we're going to secure it even more with the Velcro straps. And this is what everything is looking like once I have everything strapped. And the hair is beautiful, guys, and it matches my hair texture perfectly. The curls are soft, they're bouncy, I love them. Now I'm going to show you guys what the wig looks like with the different headbands, and also I'm going to be showing you guys different styles. guys, this hair is super full. Like, oh my gosh, the curls are so soft. I love this wig, you guys. It's super soft, super bouncy, super shiny. Again, you guys, this is the LuvMe Jerry Curl Headband Wig in the length 20 inches. I absolutely love this hair, this wig. The curls, they're bouncy, they're shiny, they're soft. I had no issues with this hair. If you guys are looking to purchase this hair, I do have a 20% off code that you guys can use. It's ALECIA, Alicia. It's in the description box down below, and also the link to the hair will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and you guys can go ahead and purchase. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys later. Stay beautiful.